Here, just for you, 5 cooking tips that are going to make your life much easier in the kitchen. Number 1, how to make my cutting board not slide and go all over the place when I'm trying to cut something. Kitchen towel, a little bit wet, put it underneath. Not going anywhere. Very safe. Remember though, if you have a wood cutting board, to remove it when you're done cooking. Otherwise the wood will absorb the water and you may have to throw this away. But if you put it just for a little bit, this is not gonna go anywhere. Tip number 2, how to properly small dice an onion. We cut it in the middle, keeping the onion together in the root. See, I keep the root in the onion. Now just peel it, get it to the nice and fresh part of the onion, always keeping the root together. That is going to be very important. Now I'm going to show you why. First step is to slice the onion parallel to the cutting board. Make sure you don't go all the way through. You need to keep the root together, okay? Et voila. You see, I'm not going all the way through. The onion is still all together. Now, cut perpendicular to the cutting board. Go down this way and hold the onion while you slide the knife out. Now, the final step is to slice all the way down to get the dice. Remember, keep your knuckles next to the blade of the knife. You see, an easy way to make a beautiful small dice. Tip number 3 is how to separate an egg. I do this most of the time. Open it up with my fingers and try to get the egg white to go down, pass it from one shell to the other one, and eventually it works. Next one is my favorite. I break it over here and I drop the egg right in my hand. And then I slowly let the white go down. Very nice. Then the trick of the century is the plastic bottle. Get some air out. Go on the egg yolk. Mama. And then you put it back down and you walk away. Tip number 4, how to prep an avocado, to eat it for guacamole, to make an avocado toast, or just to eat it as a snack. First of all, you slice it right in the middle until you feel the pit, bone, rock, I don't know how do you call it. Then you flip it, you turn it around, then I put this in the middle and take it out just like that. Then the best way, get a spoon and scoop it all out, slice it all off. As you can see, I'm keeping the pit inside because that will help the avocado to not turn dark. Next one, I want to show you how to make a fancy presentation for an avocado. You know, like they do in Japanese restaurants? So I cut this part out just because it makes my life easier to peel it. Okay, because I want to peel it slowly, you see. I would like to try to get as much as possible out. Then, you know, like when they put it on top of sushi rolls and stuff? This is what they do. And then that's it. Voila. Tip number 5, how to cut a bunch of cherry tomatoes in the fastest way possible. You need a shredded knife, right? The same you use for the bread. 2 small plates. Drop your cherry tomatoes in the plate. They need to be flat, okay? So squeeze them in. Now, watch and learn. Plate on top. Knife, hand, press so they don't move, and slice all the way through. Look at that. I know, you're welcome. I hope you enjoyed my cooking tips. Join me for my next masterclass on Amphy.com.